Well, this is different. Due to the success of Pass the Parcel over the past few weeks, Bo has been approached to do a review strand, and I am donating my hands for this, for a little human help. We've been invited to review two things here. There's a Blume Doll and a Sparkly Critters. I'm sure that a middle-aged man is probably the best person to be doing this, but guided along by Bo. Thank you kindly, Bo. Let's see where we go. We're going to put these two to one side because later on, apparently, we need some water for these. We're not entirely sure how much water. Okay, Sparkly Critters. Right. What's this then? It's got an opening thing here. Let's see what this does. Oh, crikey. It comes off in bits. Oh. There we are, there's the instruction manuals. We are, of course, responsible here. We're taking this packaging that cannot yet be recycled, putting it in our eco bricks. Go on, in you go. Got my finger stuck in there, just 1 minute. I believe, let's pull that. Okay. Right, let's try that then. What is this? What is this here? Now then, goodness me, look at that. Some unicorn shimmer and unicorn magic. Surprised that that Quinn isn't here. This here is a pouch. Shall we open the pouch? Let's just put that over there somewhere. There we are. Let's see what's in here. Right. Goodness me. This is a scoop. The mind boggles. And something with a particularly rude word on it. Some more plastic packaging. Attempt to get that one into one of our eco bricks later on. There we go. Finish that off. Okay. I hope this is legal. Okay, we'll see. Oh, good. Some instructions. That's useful. Goodness me. Goodness me. That is some instructions there. This is, I mean, this here is what looks like a reasonably small thing. There we go. You know what? Doesn't really matter. Sorry, Bo. I appreciate we're taking this massively seriously, which, of course, I will do. Now then, in here, there's just nothing else in this thing here. There we go. Oh, well, look at that. It's a sort of a sheep with a Hannibal Lecter mask. Oh, no, I think that's just packaging. We'll get rid of that immediately. And oh, it has a hole in its bum. And a sparkly unicorn thing there. What on earth do we do with this? Poo, doodies, doos. Do what so not qualified for this. Look, that's what it is. It's a fluffy thing. Well, it seems as if I actually did need to read this after all. We needed to fill this thing up with water. Now it says on here something about filling it to 20 ml, but there is no kind of lettering or numbering on this, so I've just filled it halfway, fully. I think fully. Let's give it a quick hospital test. Yep, that looks like it's full, and we stick it in the. Does it feel like some sort of torture here? I mean this poor little creature surely can't ingest that much fluid. That would be very, very bad for it. Let's well, here we go. Let's see what happens. Right. Okay, go on, in you go. In you go. In you go. In you go. Oh, it's taken it all. It's taken the lot. The bung goes in. We have to shake it up for a minute. All right. There, that seems to be enough. And now apparently we have to squeeze it, and it does poo some slime. Bo, would you mind popping off and getting me some kind of bucket? Yeah, thank you very much. That's very kind of you. Oh, Bo's back. Right, okay, and we have. That's very big. Okay, right. Squeeze its head. Squeeze! What the... oh, it's coming out of its face as well. This is disgusting. Oh, and I'm... oh, this squirted on me. I got some on me. Oh, excuse you. It seems its face is fully caved in. I don't know if that's a design. Come on. Come on, face. Come on. Come on, face. Come on, face. There we are. Nice. I'm not sure we need that anymore. So we've got our bucket full of slime there. I think once we've squirted it out of its bum, it needs to be the unicorn magic packet. Okay, unicorn magic packet. And the unicorn shimmer. We put those into the receptacle. Oh, like a puff of pink dust has gone everywhere. Ah! Oh, okay. Let's get some of that unicorn magic on the go there. This is not what I remember unicorn magic from cartoons of youth. This seems to be just some absolute muck everywhere. Still more unicorn magic coming out. Let's see if we can shake up this bucket a little. Get some... oh dear. Some of that magic. Oh, some a bit there, a bit of magic there, bit of magic there, bit more magic there, and some unicorn shimmer now. Whoa! Oh, it's glitter. Oh, glitter is not my favourite of the things. Oh, that's just horrible. That is just utterly horrible. Utterly. Oh man, this doesn't seem to be turning into any kind of... maybe we need some more unicorn magic somewhere. Bo, have you any guidance on this at all? No, fair enough. Right. Okay. Well, there we have it. There is our first review of something of this Sparkly Critters coming up right now. Thank you, Bo. Thanks for help on that. We're going to quickly power through these two Blume Dolls. I'm just going to wash this off my hand. Let's have a quick look at these Blume Dolls that we have here now. Let's see what we go with this. Open. Goodness. God. Come on. Oh, it does have scissors. It does have a... yes. Okay. I feel like that's a result. Let's just put this one out of the way for it. Some more plastic there, and you open it up and put some water on it. Oh, okay, I've put some water on. Doll magically blooms. Doesn't say how much water it needs. Look at all those there. We could have any of those. That's incredible. I mean, they've given us that. I mean, that's utterly useless, I'm sure. If anything I've seen requires quite a good amount of water there. Some stickers, yeah. Bo, would you mind heading off? Oh, there we go. Thank you, Bo. If you can just grab some water, that would be fantastic. Oh, and straight back with some. Thank you very much, Bo. Right. Yeah, looks about right. I think. Yeah. Okay. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, would you look at that? Not entirely sure what's just happened there, but I don't know if anybody's seen the scene from Alien with John Hurt. Oh, goodness gracious me! It's a half-naked doll. How did that get out of such a small space there? That's quite a piece there. That's quite something. There's a paper there. Quick, opening to see. Oh, it comes with its own toilet there. like for it to sit on, I think, for number 1s and 2s there. Some question marks in a bucket. Sit on the toilet there. That's good. Right. Ooh, it's like a flying wing. It's like a purple wing type. Come on out of the bucket. That's possibly an onion. Give me up. There's a handbag. Wonderful. I'm not entirely sure, Bo, that we needed that much water. Let's have a look at the other one. There we go. What is this? Oh, yep. That's no use. Maybe there was something to that. Oh, all right, it's always worth a go. Oh, I've got the sneezes. Oh, excuse me, just for what? Oh. Huh. Well, I guess you didn't need all that water after all.